Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best barrel stove kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TMS Portable Military Camping Wood Stove. Are you looking forward to purchasing the best wood stove you can use outdoors? This is an excellent selection that will serve all your needs. This stove can be used for tent heating, cooking RV, and much more. It has an ergonomic design, which makes you use the stove when in the right position. Besides this, it also features the front and rear air regulators. With this, you will be assured of enhanced heating. It also allows for easy cleaning of the ash due to the bottom door. It has a foldable grate that provides a flat-top cooking surface. This implies that the stove can be used for the various cooking activity. Additionally, it is very safe as it has the spark arrestor plus removable dual-side cooking tubes. Moving on at number 4, we have the US Stove Company Iron Barrel Stove Kit, BSK 1000. What is the size of the steel drum you wish to convert into a stove? With this durable and quality barrel kit, you can now convert either 36 gallons or 55-gallon drums into a stove. This is because the set provides you with all that you need to convert the drums into a stove. Apart from this, the cast iron material used in the construction makes it highly durable. The affordable and versatile barrel kit is recommended for all the economical heats in the workshops, lodges, and cabins among others. In addition to this, it also has the feed door that is relatively larger and stable cast iron legs. Other than this, the barrel has all the mounting hardware and the flue collar with damper. At number 3, we have the US Stove Company Double Barrel Stove Kit Adaptor, BKAD 500. Here is a great pick of barrel kit adapter that has been recommended as the best alternative for the lodges, cabins, and workshops. This kit is easy to put together and will serve for the longest time possible. The quality cast iron material used in the construction makes it perfect for long-term use. Besides this, it also versatile since it has been adapted to both 30 and 55-gallon drums. In addition to this, the barrel kit is relatively higher as it measures up to 36 inches to the wall clearance. With this, you will find it perfect for the non-combustible floors. The damper collar and legs are all made using the cast iron, hence it delivers just as expected. The kit has the double barrel that provides a better heat transfer. At number 2, we have the US Stove Company Natural Organic Double Barrel Stove Kit, BK50E. For the ultimate stove kit that you can now rely on for quality and reliable services, this is an excellent pick to give a try. This quality stove kit will definitely serve you for years. This is due to the fact that it has been designed using the best quality of iron material. This implies that it is resistant to corrosion and last for years. Besides this, it is great for increasing the amount of heat radiation, hence you will get to heat perfectly. The stove kit is also easy to assemble and highly versatile. You can use it for heating the pole barn, workshop, and rustic cabin among others. Despite being one of the top-rated products, the cost is budget-friendly. And finally at number 1, we have the Vogelzang US Stove Barrel Kit. Do you need a perfect barrel stove kit that makes it simpler to convert the 35 gallons or 55 gallons into an efficient wood-burning heater? This is one excellent pick that will suit you better as it has been designed to suit both 30 and 55 gallons drums. Apart from this, the affordable barrel stove kit is also simple to assemble all the parts. It has been designed to serve for years using the best quality of 100% cast iron material. In addition to this, it also features the damper collar. This is meant for hindering the slide over as it improves the pipe to slide in easily. Lastly, it is a relatively lightweight product that weighs about 25 pounds, hence easily portable. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.